What is up? What is up, YouTube? I am out here. You are out here to show you some new stuff I got. So basically, I'm doing an oil change today, but just wanted to show you these tools that I picked up at Costco. A little small set, perfect for this type of job. Also picked up, let's see, Bosch oil filter at the Irish place. And then I got this cool tool at the Irish place too. It's changing, take off the oil filter tool. And yeah, so use one of these when you change your oil, folks, because you're gonna spill oil on the ground somewhere. If you don't want your concrete to get all nasty, driveway, then put one of these things down. As you can see, got oil spilling everywhere. And the last thing I want to show you was this Kirkland full synthetic SAE 5W30 motor oil. I can't remember how much I paid for this. I'll have to look at my receipt and try to find it so I can tell you. But basically we're just doing an oil change today. Nothing big, nothing major. You can do this, you can get this. There's the engine for the bus. Just got a call right now from Dave over at Rancho Transmissions up in Fullerton, telling me my transmission is ready to go, ready to be picked up. You can see it's just empty there. So do that video pretty soon. Be doing a video on the transmission install, probably a couple other things that need to get done too, because the engine seal needs to be replaced, needs new exhaust. I don't know if you can see the exhaust is pretty damn rusted. Needs a bunch of shit, but probably new carburetor linkage. But anyways, that'll be a video coming up. I also got to put a video of me taking out the tranny and taking out the engine, so stay tuned for that.